New for 2018, SuspensonMAXX maximum duty sway bar links. They are designed to be 30% heavier than our standard Max link system. They're sold in pairs and they're designed for Dodge Ram pickups with 4 to 8 inches of lift. They're available in 8-inch, 9-inch, 10-inch, and 11-inch center-to-center measurements. This is the factory sway bar link for the 06 to 2010 Ram 25-3500. It has a 10 millimeter shaft, which is prone to breaking and bending at the top where the sway bar sits on a lifted truck because of the added stress on the smallest diameter of the shaft right at the top. We've upgraded it from this 10 millimeter shaft, or very close to 3/8 inch, to this 1/2 inch shaft that is going to be much stronger and much more capable of withstanding the abuse of your lifted truck on and off the road. Get yours today.